what are the friendship red flags we ignored in other friendships, and what have you learned from each other?
It's
I
never
don't
gonna come
understand
true. Fair. But at least you can gira the mic.
I've actually
Podcast mein mic gira do.
I have
And I have learned that don't overshare things because sometimes it can backstab you and only you. Hi guys, this is me Chandni Patel and today we are going to do a podcast. I know you must be thinking मैं तो यहाँ पे अकेली बैठी हूँ तो ये वी कौन है? It's none other than Isha Gadani. So welcome to our podcast, Isha.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Let's get to know each other so that people also get to know us
Us.
better. Ask me anything because last time मैंने Q&A किया था. This time you should ask me questions. You know, spicy questions. Spicy guys.
Have you ever had
फटाफट
an
बोलो.
experience where you just wanted to get out of it as soon as possible? I probably know the answer to it, but if you want to answer this,
I mean, she is getting into deep पहले ही question में.
you wanted me to go deep.
But we also want to entertain our audience, right?
This is entertaining. Trust me.
This is confusing and leading to misleading.
Leading to misleading.
Guys, by the way, ये हम podcast कर ही इसलिए रहे because I purchased this new mic. It's from somewhere. I don't know the name of the company.
It's called Warm Box.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
It's pretty
company
good.
is This.
It's pretty good.
We are just testing it.
Yeah.
And अगर ये अच्छा निकला तो we'll upload this podcast. Otherwise,
Well,
it will
it's
be
for
secure.
our
Yeah, it
entertainment.
will be secure in our
For
gallery.
our kids.
For
They'll
our
find
kids.
this and they'll be like, what the
Let's-
fuck was wrong with our parents? With our moms? We'll ask each of us a question.
Yeah, that's a better idea.
How about you start?
Okay. What's your favorite color, Ish?
I think I like lilac color.
That's what she said in our last vlog.
Yeah, but it's true. It's
And
like
now I know what lilac is. At that time, I didn't know what lilac. I was
No,
like, what is
yeah.
she saying? I have never heard of this color.
Yeah.
And after that, the songs I'm listening and everything. You know that Pratik Kuhat song? He has that lilac lyrics in his song.
She really wants to know me better. I think she's in love with me.
I am obsessed.
Describe the fragrance that you like.
I like the smell of my favorite person. Like if I'm close to someone, I remember their smell. And whenever I miss them, for example, for like our mother's
Yeah.
smell, you know, when I was coming from India, मैंने अपनी मम्मी की दुपट्टा जो होता है वो मैं लेके आई हूँ यहाँ पे just because I
It smells
you know
like
the
her.
sense of
Yeah.
being here kind
Yeah.
of. So that's
The
something-
closeness of that
Yes,
person.
exactly.
I know that because I've gotten my mom's shawl as well.
It's
Yeah.
true.
I understand that.
It's like हमसे दूर है but हमारे पास है kind
Yeah.
of thing.
I mean, this ring right
You
over
got
here. You won't be
engaged?
able to see it, but this is my mom's ring.
We can just go like
This is my mom's ring.
I have it but I haven't wear it. By the way,
We got
we
a
did-
name.
Yeah, look at this. Isn't
nails
it
done.
pretty? I mean,
Pretty.
I loved her.
I loved mine
is
too.
like simple.
I
yet
like her.
so
It's
good,
very
so good.
elegant, very classy, very chic. I like hers too.
But the only disappointment we have is that we are never going back over there again because the service.
It's not that good. No.
Yeah,
No.
people were a bit in a rush, I guess.
Yeah.
So,
they were.
Let's start our rapid fire questions. Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
She's quick, guys. Sunrise or sunset?
Sunset.
Books or movies?
Books.
Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Texting or calling?
Texting.
Pizza or khichdi?
Actually, calling.
No texting? Yeah, it can create
Yeah.
misunderstandings. Pizza or khichdi?
Khichdi.
Okay. One word to describe me.
Just amazing.
Who's always late?
You.
I know, guys. I know. Last time we had planned something. We had planned to eat out a brunch date, and I was super
You were
late.
very late.
And you know what? She accidentally canceled our booking. What about that?
Well, you were still late.
I mean, yeah. Okay. Uh, who gives better advice? You or me?
Me.
True. Who's more stubborn?
Me.
That's also true. Morning person or a night owl?
Morning person. Always.
Do you like summers or winters?
Summers. By default.
Biggest celebrity crush?
I don't have one.
Okay, I'll give you an option. Rohit Saraf or Hrithik Roshan?
Hrithik Roshan. No
OG
doubt in
guys.
that.
OG. Most used app?
Pinterest.
Us.
Us.
I love Pinterest. You know, our dream job is to work in
Work in
Pinterest.
Pinterest. I was actually I was
my God.
actually searching for jobs in Pinterest the other day.
Same guys, same. Let's manifest it.
Let's manifest it.
Okay. Favorite memory together of us?
I think all of them, but
No, you have to choose
actually,
one.
when we went to Madavan,
Oh, that's
we
true.
had
That
so
was
much
true.
fun.
The best experience. And you know what? I was wearing the same T-shirt at
Actually,
that,
you
at
were,
that
yeah.
time.
Yep.
Okay. Who's more likely to get lost?
Me. Definitely.
We were
Actually-
getting our nails done today, and we accidentally said
Got on a bus.
Yeah.
I was gonna say bus.
You continue the story.
We got on the bus. We were supposed to be at this particular stop, but it did not go to that stop at all, and neither of us checked whether that bus goes.
No, but
this
the
stop or
thing
not.
is, the application was showing us that the bus takes us the home, like
The home.
we,
The home.
we were supposed to reach here at my place, but
But it did not take us there. But anyway,
anyway,
mistakes happen.
I mean, God wanted us to spend more time. If she,
I would have stayed over
yeah.
anyway.
No, if हम जल्दी आ जाते, you would have left. We
I would've.
were not.
I would have.
Yeah,
I
हम
would've.
ये नहीं कर रहे होते because
Definitely.
of course, guys, we got this mic today. It's from.
Bus.
I am becoming Samay Rana.
Please.
This is AI.
Chal.
Okay.
Next question.
Next, it is more of a this and that question. Okay.
Reality TV or documentaries?
I like documentaries.
We know how much you like Splitsvilla. Such a documentary of others' life.
No, it depends. Splitsvilla is different, guys. It's bachpan ka pyar. I love to see Kalesh. That's why.
That's because we have no Kalesh in our life.
Oh yeah, our life is boring here in Canada, so we need
some
Kalesh,
entertainment.
Kalesh from India,
Yeah.
from India itself.
Okay. Netflix or YouTube?
YouTube. I'm with you. YouTube.
I'm just gonna ask you a couple of this and that, and then I'm going to go deeper.
How much deeper?
Deeper. Okay. Gold or silver?
I'm a minimal rose gold girl, not even silver. Not
I
even
like
gold.
that. I
Yeah.
like that. Plan everything out or go with the flow.
I like to go with flow. I don't like to plan ahead of time.
Concerts or festivals?
Festivals. Dil se gujju.
That's a good joke.
Festivals, guys.
Okay, let's get deeper.
Yes.
What's your comfort movie? Comfort
Om
movie.
Shanti Om is my comfort movie. I
Mine
love-
is Hum Saath Saath. Hain.
That's also really nice. We used to get this movie on ZTV every Sunday. You know,
Yeah.
जब हम TV
Even
देखते थे.
Chennai Express for that
That's
matter.
true. Chennai,
Chennai
Express.
Express.
Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Always.
It's
Always.
Good old movies. And the recent movie I watched is Humko Divana Kar Gaye. And oh my god, I was looking at Katrina Kaif and then I was like, wow, she
I
was
need to watch that
something
movie.
in her prime era.
She's
You-
still something. She's just
Yeah.
amazing.
That's true. We are talking like Katrina Kaif is
Yes,
gonna come and comment.
exactly. Comment. You should comment.
Yes,
Anyway,
one day.
biggest fear.
Because water. I'm afraid of water.
Water.
Yeah, I feel like I'll suffocate and I'll die.
Hmm.
I don't know how to swim also.
It's
Okay.
all right. A little unhinged.
Okay.
If you had a useless superpower, what would it be?
I am getting dirty thoughts, but let's not focus on that. What was the question? Can you change the question?
I will change the question. If you were arrested, what would your friends assume you did?
Flirt with the police officer, I guess. But on the other hand, I'm not good at flirting, so maybe
Yeah.
drunk and drive. I don't even drink.
You are
The
just a
questions are
goody
inappropriate.
two-shoes.
Yeah, questions are too
Okay.
inappropriate.
How? Okay. What's my best quality?
Being available for me and being brutally honest when it comes to giving an advice. She'll say what is, she will always like, कि तुझे ये सुनना पड़ेगा भले ही ये कड़वा है, but you have to, that. So I like that.
Okay.
I like
I'm
that.
going to ask you one last question.
Sure.
What am I most likely to be famous for?
Her looks. Looks and looks.
Look.
The way she
I take the
communicates, the way
compliment.
she communicates, I like it. So maybe you'll be a TED Talk person, I guess.
Well, that was my question. What would be my TED Talk? That I switched, but then okay.
Motivational speaker she'll become.
Yeah.
We'll start a little light,
Right.
and then we'll move forward. Okay. Things we thought were true as a kids, according to you.
Wow. I used to think that I was very little, so never judge me.
Never say never.
But I used to think that people, the animals that we surround ourselves with, was a profession that we could grow into.
Wow.
I was 3, okay? I was 3 or 4, and I
I'm
used
not
to
judging.
think
I'm not judging.
that I can grow up being an animal, be it a horse, a
You can have
cow, a dog,
wings,
or,
right?
or I can have wings, I can be a bird.
No.
But
That's
that's
something
not true.
weird
And that is
unique.
just my uneducated brain.
Your brain was still growing at that time, so it's
Yeah.
fair. It's fair, guys. Okay. The worst advice we have ever received.
12th के बाद मजे ही मजे हैं कॉलेज के बाद मजे ही मजे हैं
इतना कर लो, इसके बाद तो vacation ही है. Now we are seeing our vacation.
We are seeing our vacation.
It's so wrong. Our childhood was a lie. Okay. Internet trends we don't understand.
6, 7. What the heck is that?
Exactly. I know.
What is
it's
that?
6, 7. It's more like 19 base, But 19
We never
के-
made meme out of it.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Millennials के साथ grow up हुए, right?
Yeah.
So we don't count ourselves.
We are the Gen Zs who grew up with millennials.
Yeah, we are mature Gen
We are
Zs.
the Gen Zs, the oldest Gen Zs. And
Yeah.
we like it.
Even
way.
my elder sister is millennial, so I cannot say that I'm a Gen Z. But sometimes it's fine. But
I will never say 6, 7.
me neither.
Never.
And the other thing is this: clock it.
What is this? Or what is
Clock it.
this? Anyway, people do it, so we go with it.
Okay. Things people romanticize too much.
Anime.
Come on, I love anime. I mean, it's
I
never
don't
gonna come
understand
true.
it.
Fair, but at least you can गिरा the mic.
I've actually
Podcast में mic गिरा दो.
I have lots of things that I don't understand why people romanticize that, but well, one of
It-
them is anime because
No,
Ick.
I wouldn't agree on that because I love watching anime.
I know you do. That's why I said it.
You are just triggering because my half of my audience has a love from anime for
Mm.
anime. So
Well, you might hate me, but I never care about
no,
that
guys,
stuff.
she is my friend. You cannot hate her.
Let's
Okay, moving
continue.
on. Let's talk about friendship tea. How we this I guess.
We'll ask something else.
Let's rank our friendship.
Actually,
How would you rate in scale of 10?
an 11.
I would say 1,000.
Oh, then I will say infinity. No, but on the other hand, let me just ask this question, and I'm asking you this as well.
Oh yeah.
What are the friendship red flags we ignored in other friendships, and what have we learned from each other? So I'll answer this and you'll answer this, but you go first.
No, you go first so that
Red
I can
flags
get
I
idea.
have ignored is ignoring my instinct about that person
Yeah, that's
on
true.
the first hand itself. Like if I have an instinct about somebody and I know this might be right, I ignore it because I believe in second chances. But it has always showed me the
And
truth.
the thing is like we at first we are so new about this friendship
Mhm.
things, right? So we're like, it's fine, this is like ignorable, and it's similar to giving a second chance, and we
Yeah.
are not aware of that thing that this person as in
But
friendship can
then
do this.
we are shown the true colors.
That's true. That's true.
What is yours? What is the red flag that you ignore?
I think it's more of a red flag in me that I cannot say no,
Mm.
and sometimes I regret it because कि भाई सामने वाले को अच्छा लगता है तो चलो हाँ बोल देते हैं भाई कैसा फील होगा, बट देन आई वाज लाइक ओके दिस इज नॉट व्हाट आई वांट, राइट?
Mm.
वो मैंने बहुत लेट रियलाइज किया कि जहाँ पे तुम ना बोल सकते हो बोलो, because
And this is not only about relationships. This is not only about friendships, but also
yeah.
relationships or any kind of relationship, be it
Yeah,
colleague,
when it
be
comes
it
to
your
family
love,
members,
be it relatives, be it anything. You should always
yeah,
learn to say no
that's true.
and always prioritize yourself because you are the only one for yourself.
That's true. That's true.
What have we learned from each other? Well, I have learned no matter what people say, just do it. You will regret it if you do not. I've learned that from her, and I appreciate that.
And I have learned that don't overshare things because sometimes it can backstab you and only you. So it's better to keep some things to yourself or your family, because the more you share, because you don't know what's going to be the next step of
Yep.
the other person, right?
Yep. And sometimes even I ignore the fact that
Yeah.
we should not overshare. But yeah, I'm trying to actively
Yeah, I mean,
do that.
we share each other everything, but we are also conscious about what we are sharing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And we have built that trust over these years, right?
2 years. And I
Yeah.
think I can trust you enough to share things with you
Yeah.
and not feel guilty about it.
Oh, definitely. By
Yeah.
the way, what's your guilty pleasure?
I think just having a tub of good ice cream, or this is, I don't know, a shout out or whatever. I don't want anything. Bank Street, Roberto's Corner, tiramisu. You should try it.
I
It's
have
the
never tried it.
Oh, you should. Actually, you know what? We will try it.
Oh yeah, our next vlog, maybe it will be
Tiramisu.
tiramisu. I love tiramisu, with the coffee one, the original one, not the
Mm.
different flavors of tiramisu like
We
mango tiramisu and everything.
yeah, the
The OG,
espresso one,
yeah,
the
espresso
OG.
one.
And this Roberto's Corner is actually an Italian deli, and it is amazing. The sandwiches are amazing. Tiramisu. They have pastries like the biscoff and everything, biscottis and everything. It's perfect. It's
My
perfect.
guilty pleasure is going on a beach and having a pizza.
Bitch,
Not darya,
beach.
beach.
Huh.
Going on a beach and having a pizza, and a good friend or a close friend with us having watching a sunset, and
Just conversing.
yeah, that's
Just
my
a
guilty
good
pleasure.
conversation always is a
Always,
guilty
always.
pleasure.
That's true.
Let's-
Let's hope we'll do someday.
Let's
Anyways, June is gonna end, and hopefully we get summers this season because it's raining.
It's
I don't
always
know. I don't know why.
it's always raining. It's
Yeah.
always raining. Okay, let's go for thoughtful and philosophical, and then we can. Oh, there are so many questions we can.
We can wrap it up. It's let's not make it too long because I don't want my audience to get bored.
I think these are pretty good questions.
Let me ask one.
Actually, let's ask creative topics.
If we could rewrite one rule of society, what would it be?
That you need a very
Debatable.
stable job to live your life to the fullest, and that better your job, more respect you get. That's
Yeah.
one rule of society that I think it's a rule, or I don't know if it is a rule or just a mentality, but I think people have made it a rule that better the job, then better,
It's
more
future.
respect.
Yeah.
And
And
that's
I
not how things work.
yeah, I feel that especially women have been hearing that once you get married, you'll have everything. You can go here and there, which I really, really want to.
Also, you should respect elders more. I'm going to rewrite this just because respect is a mutual thing. If somebody's going to disrespect me, I will
You'll
not.
get the same.
I will
I'm
not
not saying
hold
that you
myself
disrespect,
back.
yeah, but you just at least stand for yourself.
Yes,
That's
I will
it.
stand for myself. I will not disrespect, but I will
Yeah.
stand for myself.
Yeah.
And if you feel that if you feel me standing up for myself is disrespect, then I think you should really understand the meaning of disrespect.
That's true. And if you were to invent new holiday, what would it be?
My birthday as an
I was gonna say the same
I
thing.
think we always would.
Yeah, we love our
But
birthdays.
yeah, I think it's a
It
good
should
idea.
be a national holiday.
It should be, or we all should have. I think this is already a thing in European countries, but
What is it?
menstrual holidays.
Oh yeah.
3 days a week.
Yes, please. The last question of the first podcast of ours would be, if you get to create a reality show, how would you create it? Yes.
Reality show. I think it would be about. This is
Think.
super interesting, wasn't?
Dude, you want to kill someone?
I don't mind. But no, that's not the point.
Yes.
I think it will be about books. How well do you know books? And it will also be about something to do with if you had to come up with book ideas. How well can you come up with book
But
ideas?
how would you like make a reality show about that? It wouldn't it be boring?
Mm,
I mean, we love books, right? So we'll watch it.
but yeah, I think if I have to, it will be about. I don't know honestly. I can. I don't. I don't think I can answer this.
It's a tough question.
It is.
Why don't you tell us guys in the comment section, like if you want to create a reality show, what would be
What
the
would-
topic? Yeah, and how would you like what will you choose?
Mm.
And we'll love to get back to you guys. So this is it for our first podcast. I hope you guys like it. And this is Chandi Patel signing off.
To watch the entire YouTube video, the link is attached in the bio. Visit Channi's YouTube page for this. And this is Isha signing off with Channi.
Bye.